In this video, you will learn how to remove unwanted objects in your image with few clicks. First, duplicate the layer, then select your laser tool, then you select the unwanted object you want to remove from your image like this. Then go to Edit on the menu and select Field. On the Field dialog box, make sure the content is on Content Aware and leave the setting like this, then click OK. You can also select the object, then go to Edit and click Content Aware Field. You will see a preview. You will see a preview of the affected path. Then you click OK. This is before and this is after. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share as you keep learning and creating. Thank you.